Okay, so in this video, I'm going to make a comparison video between OnePlus 6T and OnePlus 9 Pro. Starting with price, OnePlus 6T cost £530, but now it's cheap, around £300 to £400, and OnePlus 9 Pro cost £829, which shows me on OnePlus UK store. Both of them have same operating system and same Gorilla Glass screen. The most important is OnePlus 9 Pro have 5G availability. Now let's see what has been changed that made OnePlus 9 Pro. The Hasselblad camera. Hasselblad camera is much expensive company which sells their camera around $5,000. If this company is expensive, then you should expect a better quality of videos and better result of images from OnePlus 9 Pro. Let's talk about both phone camera megapixels to see what has been changed. So OnePlus 9 Pro have 4 rear cameras with 48 megapixel wide angle camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, 8 megapixel telephoto and 2 megapixel depth camera. And it has one single selfie camera with 16 megapixel wide angle camera. And now it's time to talk about OnePlus 6T cameras. OnePlus 6T have dual cameras with 16 and 20 megapixels, and it also have one single selfie camera with 16 megapixels. Obviously, it's been 2 years, so the changes have been made are really good in OnePlus 9 Pro. Yes, OnePlus 6T can record up to 4K resolution with 30 and 60 FPS, but what I'm going to tell you will make you surprised. OnePlus 9 Pro can record video in 8K resolution. That's amazing. 4K resolution with 30, 60 and 120 FPS. And guys, you can record video at 240 FPS in 1080p resolution. This OnePlus 9 Pro has 4500 milliamps battery, and my OnePlus 6T has 3700 milliamps battery. The good thing is OnePlus 9 Pro support wireless charging, which gives 50 watts output and charge OnePlus 9 Pro 100% in 43 minutes. And if you charge with simple charger, then it will charge 200% in 29 minutes because the charger output is 65 volts. Now OnePlus 6T takes 45 minutes or above to charge from 100%. I'm happy with that. OnePlus provide wireless charging facility in OnePlus 9 Pro with outstanding output energy. OnePlus 9 Pro is bigger than OnePlus 6T with larger screen size, better performance, larger storage and high GB RAM. Overall, OnePlus is putting too much effort to improve their products. Just like from OnePlus 7, they upgrade the refresh rate up to 90 Hz, and same goes with OnePlus 8. And now we have the latest and futuristic product from OnePlus. So this is it, the comparison video between OnePlus 6T and OnePlus 9 Pro. If you enjoy it, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Bye.